Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the Magnify Your Hair Otherwise challenge. I am Diane and I am happy to have you here with me today. So yes, I know in the last video I said it was our last exercise, but after doing that, I said, okay, I have a last message to pass, and so I decided that I will do it in a complete different video. Maybe I will add this part in the different other videos, I don't know yet, but I wanted to pass this message to you today. It is to embrace the journey. So remember, these past exercises that we have done are not meant to be done once and forgotten. Your hair journey, like you say, it is a journey. So these exercises are there to accompany you through your journey. Anytime you feel down or you don't know what to do, you can come back to these exercises for you to give yourself a second lease in life, to say, okay, you breathe and remember that this community is here for you. Yes, we are not here just for one person, we are here for everyone. These exercises are here to accompany you. So revisit these exercises regularly when you're in moments of doubt or that you feel overwhelmed. Come back and watch these videos again, watch the challenge again to give yourself a new boost to go on and walk to come on and walk that journey. It is crucial to remember that consistency is the key to progress. Keep practicing, keep questioning, and keep learning. And don't forget the power of the community. Leave your impressions in the comments. You never know who might need your words of encouragement or who might be inspired by your journey. Share your stories, your challenges, and your victories. Together, we can create a supportive and uplifting space for everyone on this journey. Thank you so much for being part of the Magnify Your Hair Otherwise challenge. Remember, you're not alone in this. We are all in this together, growing and learning every step of the journey. See you in our next video. And until then, stay beautiful and stay consistent. Bye.
In a world where curls are strong, we've heard the stories, we've been wrong. But now we rise, we take a stand, embrace the beauty, hand in hand. Tidy space, tidy mind, forgive the past, let's unwind. Set our goals, dreams align. Really love, our hair will shine. From the clutter, we break free. Clear our minds, now we see. Self-forgiveness, love anew. Stronger together, me and you. Tidy space, tidy mind. Forgive the past, let's unwind. Set our goals, dreams align. Really love, our hair will shine. Professional, find a way. set our goals, dreams align. When we love, our hair will shine. In every curve, in every strand, our journey's here, let's take command. With hope and love, we'll redefine our natural hair, our crown so fine. Yes, you know, find a way, consistency, day by day. Community where we belong, together we are strong. Tidy space, tidy mind, consistency, day by day. Community where we belong, together we are strong. Oh.